You guys, so we're super excited, ready to get started. We decided to record a live video of us doing our affiliate distributor program because we had our Zoom. It was super awesome, but of course technology reigned supreme. It would not let us share the PowerPoint, so we decided to re-record so that you can see the video PowerPoint along with the conversation so that you have all the details and information that you need. And if I can do my best to remember, I will also go back and share with you some of the really incredible questions that people asked during the webinar. Again, I want to give a shout out to everyone who joined us on tonight for our official affiliate distributor program launch here at Glowhead Inc. So now we want to show you the glam money, right? So excited. This is leveraging yourself through sharing the Glowhead Inc. opportunity. And so you may not have gotten to see that we have 15 products in our regular hair care line. And our hair care line is for all hair types, whether you have kinky, curly, coily, straight, fine, thin, thick, wavy, coarse hair, whatever you have, whatever number of hair and alphabet that you have, it doesn't matter, right? Our products are for everyone. What's really awesome as well is that our products are free from phthalates. We don't have any sulfates. We don't have any what's the word I'm looking for? I'm hungry, y'all. Y'all don't forgive me. We don't have any parabens. We don't have any artificial fragrances. We have an incredible line of product. And so whether you have dry hair, whether you have an oily scalp, whether you have color treated hair, chemically relaxed hair, any of those things, we also do not test on animals. We have an incredible line. And then you'll see over here with our, in the purple packaging, we have our lace front line for those of you that wear wigs. So this line is super incredible for all of your hair to take care of your hair while it's in a protective style as well under these products that you may be using to apply your wigs, your lace fronts, etc. So we have a hair dye pen, we have hair dye spray. We also have a couple of glues that you can use. One is portable. One of our top sellers is our glue pen that you can take with you on vacation. I'm just sliding my stool back. And then one of my favorite products is the hair dye pen that you can use on your hair, because notice that I have a total white streak right here. I don't try to cover that up, but sometimes when I'm wearing braids, I want to be able to dye my edges so all these pearly whites aren't showing. So we use that and we lay our hair down with the edge control gel. You're going to want to go over to our website at www.glowhead.biz. It gives you a list of our products. It gives you all the details of the products, how to use them, how to apply it, what's in them, what they do, what hair type it's for. Also, we have a blog over there that you can subscribe to on our website at glowhead.biz, and you can read articles that we put together about different facets of hair care and the products that you choose for your hair. Also on our website, you can subscribe. There's a subscription service. So for whatever your favorite products end up being, and I'll tell you what our top sellers are, for whatever product that you love, you can have a subscription set up that product will come to you the same time, the same day, every month. And then when you don't want it, you can cut that subscription service off. You also can choose PayPal Afterpay. So that means that whatever products you decide to purchase, even if you want to purchase one of our combos that are over there on the website, you can set up to make 4 payments using PayPal Afterpay. So we've made it super economical and affordable. And tonight we're talking about our Glowhead opportunity. So what's really awesome and amazing is that the Lord blessed us to come up with this opportunity to be able to share with women so they can make additional income. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom, whether you're a corporate boss, whether you work full-time or you own your own business, or whether you're a serial entrepreneur and you're like, I love opportunities and I'm super interested and excited, stay tuned and stick with us. And we're going to tell you the next steps. So congratulations, you've made the best business decision of your life to partner with us here at Glowhead Inc. We are a hair care and beauty brand aimed at disrupting the direct selling and network marketing industries by offering a luxury line of hair care products along with future products and a lucrative pathway to entrepreneurship through our affiliate consultant opportunity. Before we begin, it's important that we remind each of our Glow Girl affiliate consultants that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, nor a no-work opportunity. Like all businesses, growth and development take time. How much each affiliate or affiliate consultant earns is based on retail sales, as well as an opportunity for those who prefer to grow an affiliate consultant team alongside their personal sales. Growing a team with Glowhead Inc. is optional. So you don't have to do that in order to make money. You're going to get your own link, your own website. When people purchase products from your Glowhead website, they're going to, those orders will come directly to us at the corporate office. We will ship those products out. You don't even have to have any products on hand in terms of when people want to order from your website. Now, you will initially purchase a kit. You will have products on hand as a kit, but after that, there's no minimum order requirements. There are no minimum order quantities. And whenever people order, you don't have to carry any products post purchasing your first initial kit, and we'll talk about that. And to become an affiliate, we'll talk about how much that is every month. It's such a low minimum for what you're going to be offered. It is an incredible opportunity. And so you're not required to grow a team here, but for those of you that say, hey, I want to get paid when people become a Glowhead consultant, you want to be able to profit from that, then definitely when you share your link and people decide to join your team, you can get paid for that. And we pay down 20 levels. We're going to talk about that in a second. Please know it is a violation of law to strictly bring people into business and into a business as a team member or as team members with no intention of products being sold, and is viewed upon by the government as a pyramid scheme. So we are not a pyramid scheme. When you purchase your kit, it comes with our smallest kit comes with 26 products, which gives you plenty to share and to sell. You can make your money back immediately if you put the work and effort into it. And then each and every month, you pay a small fee for people to be able to purchase from your website. So Glowhead Incorporated affiliate consultants will have the potential to earn the following commissions based on their sales. All affiliate consultants will earn 25% profit on all of their personal sales and can adjust prices as they choose fit. You are an independent contractor. So if you want to charge less, if you want to charge more, if you want to make specials and sales, it's totally up to you. You are in control of what you do with your products. Every time someone becomes an affiliate on your team, you will earn a $40 per fast start bonus per new affiliate consultant on each team member that places their first qualifying order, an opening order of $3.99 or higher. So we have 4 different kits that are on our website at www.glowhead.biz. So every time you bring on a new team member, let's say you're talking to me and you're like, girl, I just became an affiliate with this incredible hair care company called Glowhead Haircare Inc. You would love it. Hey, you get your own website. When you get your own website, people can buy from you. You have some products that you have when you purchase your initial kit, but after that, you're not required to have all these monthly minimums and monthly orders. And I say, oh my gosh, okay, how do I sign up? I want to be an affiliate as well. When you share your link with me and I go in and I purchase my minimum order kit, our smallest kit being $3.99, that you can break up into 4 payments using PayPal Afterpay, right? Then you're going to earn $40. That's limitless. So that's $40 on each person's first initial order. And there's no limit to how many times you do that and how many people can sign up to become an affiliate on your team. So I'm going to tell you what that would look like broken down into 4 payments, $99.75. To launch your business, you get 26 products for $9.99. You have access to your own website. You can order from your site. It pays for itself each time somebody orders a product. There you go. You have a free website if you have consistent clients and you consistently share your affiliate link. In addition to that, 4% commissions are made from every sale made by their personally sponsored affiliate consultant team members. So let's say you share the opportunity with me. I also became an affiliate member of Glowhead Haircare, and every time someone orders from my site, whether that's $1, $100, $1,000, or $10,000, you get 4% paid to you automatically, right? We pay commissions twice a month, on the 15th and the 30th. Well, let's say I get excited and I go tell my sister about it, and my sister decides, well, I want my own affiliate link. I mean, I only have to buy products at the beginning. I pay the small amount every month. I don't see it's a win-win. I want to do that too. Then every time my sister sells products through her site, through her friends and family and people that come and decide to buy from her, you're going to earn a 1% commission. So here it is, you earn 25% profit on your personal sales. You get a $40 fast start bonus every time you introduce someone to the opportunity. You have 4% commissions that you make from every sale by your personally sponsored affiliate consultant team members, 1% commissions from every sale of everyone affiliated to someone else, and it goes down 20 levels. That is unheard of, and that is incredible. This is just the tip of the iceberg to what you have the earning potential to make, and these numbers are subject to change at the company's discretion. So our Glowhead packs look like, and our Glowhead affiliate consultant kits look like this. We have a $3.99 kit that comes with 26 products. It's called our Try Me approach. We have a $5.99 kit that comes with 39 products. That's called our, and using our Try Me approach. That's 39 products. And then we have an $8.99 kit that comes with 55 products. And we have a $12.99 kit that comes with 79 products. So not only will you have plenty of products on hand, even with the $3.99 kit to try for yourself and to use on you and your family, but you also will have enough on hand to sell. Who can you sell to? We're going to talk about that in just a few minutes. So there's 4 kits that fit everyone's budget, and you can break this up by choosing, you can break your payments up by choosing the pay later option. So let's say you wanted the $12.99 kit. You can break that up into 4 payments of $24.75. You're starting a business for $100. Where can you sell Glow Head Ink products? You can sell personally to your friends and family. All social media outlets, because you have your own website link. Barbershop, stylists, beauty schools, you can go there and let them know, hey, I'd love for you to be able to carry our products in your salon. You have those products on hand when you purchase the larger kits, and you can get a pop-up shop or a booth or a space in those places. You own your own affiliate link to share for web sales, no shipping required, because with your affiliate site, all shipping is handled by the company, right? Except for the products that you have on hand. So like if your Aunt Mary lives in Texas and you live in Florida and she doesn't order through your website, she orders directly from the products you have on hand. And of course, you ship your own hand products. But anything coming through the website, we take care of that. Each Glow Head kit has enough products to demo and provides for enough retail products on hand. Another company CEO, she's passed away now, she said it best: you cannot sell from an empty wagon. And that's the truth. You don't walk in any store and the shelves are empty. Well, they are right now post-COVID with some products, right? But you know what I mean. When you go to open a retail location, you expect it to be stocked, chock full of products so that people have a selection, because people buy with their eyes and people want things right then. So that's why we've set you up for success with these products, that they have enough on hand for you to demo and for you to sell. You can sell at salons, spas, and boutiques. Who do you know that would allow you shelf space in their location? You can set up at vendor events and conferences of your choice, right? The sky's the limits and the opportunities are limitless. You just have to put in the work. Why is now a great time to start? We are a ground floor opportunity with a level playing field for everyone to win. Those who desire to grow a team will receive leads from the home office based on merit, production, and activity. So we will help you grow if you're growing, right? We will help you grow if you're helping to expand Glow Head. If we see you putting in the work, we're going to help bless your business whenever someone inquires about the opportunity and about purchasing products. Those who are first in an opportunity always make the most money. The network marketing and direct sales industry has changed, and people post-COVID are used to ordering online, and those habits are predicted to increase dramatically, are predicting to be increased dramatically. People are used to ordering online. They're going to continue that as a way of life. Amazon grew its business into infinity with affiliates and using affiliate marketing. In addition, Amazon depends over 50% of its market is independent sellers. So they depend on independent sellers to feed and funnel their products into the Amazon FBA marketplace, so they have something to sell to you and I, the consumer. And they did that through affiliate marketing. So this is a huge opportunity. Our plan is to continue to grow across the U.S. to include Hawaii, Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands, Guam, and we can ship to AAPO addresses as well. We've already gone international. We sell to a client of ours over in Germany. Shout out to him and thank you for his service. Awesome young man. So you will be a part of that vision, expansion, and earnings opportunity when you are new with us here at Glow Head Inc. We are one of the few African-American owned companies in the network marketing industry space within the hair care space. That is so exciting to us. God is so awesome. So Glow Head opportunity, next steps. What do you need to do to get started? How do you become a Glow Head affiliate? You go to our website at www.glowhead.biz. You click on the Glow Head opportunity. It's at the top and it's at the bottom. You can't miss it. You select and purchase your kit. And when you get ready to go on and select and purchase your kit, what we've done is we've created a promo code that will save you $9.99 off the $3.99 kit, so that you can then take that $9.99 and start your affiliate subscription service. So you're going to receive the $9.99 discount by putting in the promo code GLOW22. right? Capital GLOW, all caps, the number 22, Glow 22, and you're going to get $9.99 off to use that $9.99 to then go start your affiliate link. After you check out, what's going to happen is using any credit card type that you want to use, Apple Pay or PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, or the PayPal later option, which is the feature where you can break it up into 4 equal payments. After you purchase your kit, you're going to receive an automated email that says, it's time to sign up for your Glow Ahead affiliate sign up, right? It's going to give you the affiliate application for you to complete. It is short, super simple, and quick. You create your $9.99 a month subscription, and you are now officially a Glow Girl affiliate, and you can start sharing your website. It takes less than 10 minutes, right? So we're super excited about that. And I want to say, I think that was all of my slides. Yep, that's it. So those are your next steps. I think I had skipped the FAQ, but let me go back to that and see. I feel like I missed that. No, I think I answered all the questions. Let me go back one more. Nope, we got everything in there. And so if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us through the contact us section of our website at www.goahead.biz. We are so excited for the expansion of this incredible opportunity. We're excited for the expansion of our product line, and we want you to be a huge part of that. So come on board. Again, use the promo code GLOW22 to save $9.99. So you can use that for your affiliate marketing program to get signed up with your affiliate link, and you can begin sharing and earning income right here with us. You better go ahead on, girl. Bye, guys. So we gotta stop our screen share. God bless you.